In this video, I will show you how to fix a Sharp TV that is not turning on. If your TV has a black screen, won't respond to the power button, or appears completely unresponsive, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that may fix the problem. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with a hard power reset. Unplug your Sharp TV from the wall outlet and locate the physical power button on the TV itself. Press and hold the power button for 15 to 60 seconds. After that, leave the TV unplugged for at least 5 minutes. Once the waiting time is over, plug the TV directly back into the wall outlet and try turning it on again. The next thing you should do is verify the power source. If your TV is connected through a surge protector, power strip, smart plug, or extension cord, disconnect it and plug the TV directly into the wall outlet instead. Also check the TV's power cord for any visible damage, bends, or loose connections. Another thing you can try is using the physical power button on the TV. For this test, do not use the remote control. Simply press the built-in power button on the TV and check whether the TV responds. This can help determine if the issue is related to the remote control. If that doesn't help, try resetting the remote control. Remove the batteries from the remote and press and hold the remote's power button for 30 to 60 seconds. Once you're done, install a fresh set of batteries and try turning the TV on again. Next, disconnect all HDMI devices from the TV. Unplug every HDMI cable and disconnect gaming consoles, streaming devices, cable boxes, and any other external equipment connected to the TV. After everything has been disconnected, try turning the TV on with nothing connected. While you're checking the HDMI connections, inspect the HDMI cables and adapters as well. Look for any damaged HDMI cables and remove any HDMI adapters or extensions that may be connected. Faulty HDMI accessories can sometimes cause startup issues. If the TV turns on after removing them, reconnect your devices one at a time to identify which connection is causing the problem. You should also check the power or OPC indicator light on the TV. Look closely to see if the power light or OPC light is blinking. Also note whether the light is solid, blinking, or completely off. This can indicate that the TV has entered a protection mode or an error mode. Another useful test is the flashlight test. Turn the TV on and shine a bright flashlight directly at the screen. Look closely for a faint image, menu, or text. If you can see an image, the TV may be turning on, but the backlight is not working. If the problem still isn't resolved, try the hidden factory reset. Start by unplugging the TV. Press and hold the volume down button on the TV, and at the same time press and hold the input button. While holding both buttons, plug the TV back into power. Continue holding the buttons until the TV powers on or a blue menu appears on the screen. Once that happens, release the buttons and follow any on-screen prompts. And there you have it. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you get your Sharp TV turning on again. If one of these methods worked for you, or if you have a question about your TV, leave a comment below and let me know how it went.